Hello guys, my name is Shubham and today we will discuss the topic is types of constructors in Java and today's date is 1st February 2024. So let's discuss what are the types of constructor. First we discuss the what are the constructors. So constructor are the special types of method in object oriented programming language that are used to initialize the objects. The name of constructor is same as class name. Constructor does not have any return types. If we declare a return type to the constructor, then it acts as method. For every object creation, constructor get executed. For constructor, the non-access modifiers are not applicable. It means we cannot declare a abstract, final, static, non-access modifier to the constructor. The 4 access modifier applicable for constructors like public, private, protected and default. If we declare a constructor as public, then we can create object of constructor anywhere. If we declare a constructor as protected, then we can create object of constructor within the same class only. If we declare a constructor as protected, then we can create an object of constructor within the same package, but we can create outside package also through the child class. Next one is default. If we declare a constructor as default, then we can create an object of constructor within same package. So these are the 4 access modifiers applicable for constructor. So in Java there are 2 types of constructor. First one is parameterized constructor and second one is non-parameterized constructor. So let's discuss the default constructor. If we declare a constructor with no arguments, then it is a default constructor. Default constructor take the value of to the field default value like null, 0 of their data types. If we didn't create a constructor, then compiler automatically generate constructor at the compile time. So next one is parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor are used to initialize the value to the class field. If we want to initialize our own value to the class field, then we use the parameterized constructor. So these are the 2 types of constructors in Java. In Java there is also concept is constructor chaining. Constructor chaining means we can call the constructor from one constructor to the another constructor. The main purpose of constructor chaining is to avoid the code. We can create a constructor chaining by 2 ways. First one within the class and second one is from the base class. When we create a constructor within a class, then we use this keyword, and when we create a constructor chaining from base class, then we use the super keywords. So let's see what are this and super keyword. This keyword is basically reference variable that are used to reference the current class constructor. And keyword is also reference variable that are used to refer the parent class constructor. So this is all about constructors in Java.